Kesorkar Meghalaya hapok kejingilam Menteri Rangba Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Bat Kesorkar Assam hapok kejingilam Menteri Rangba Himanta Biswa Sarma hakakan drill terik unai wieng kilalit jurip ekatan langpi. Kabade kejaka kemudian hapadeng kejingnya kajaput hapadeng kini ki Arjela. Hagani kejing jurip ledon lang kidikot jaga Regional Committee jang ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam. Habe keren beginong pathai kubor hadin kejing jurip ikini kejaka Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bakadai kesni kebansakan mau no kebenta bro arteli kejela. Namar badai hakasian kebanding kong bagi arngut ki Menteri Rangba ken lit jurip lang ya kini kejaka halang pi bat benya keren bat kipat ba. Kini ki Menteri Rangba kele pentip ru bagi le Shemekarai ha kebala ai por ya ki Regional Committee bikin IT ki kaipot syaki Menteri Rangba ha kalai po terik unai wieng. Bat hadin kini ki Menteri Rangba ken sia keren bat eselok bat baro ke bedan bentah kene kapang halaki jong ki jela. Hadin kini ken sepenmi ya karai kaba kila Shem ha kebedai bat ki hendreu tuli jaka ki bedan hapedeng kejing ya kajaput. La kemi lenti bai kene kejing ya selok on pendap hapok kalai po terik unopra ar hajar arfuwe.
Neither by the Bodda government should we fight for that. Now people of Lampi need electricity. Our children has a right for education. We have a right for better roads. Are we going to stop each other? I think we have to create confidence building measures here. Today we have tentatively decided, not finally, that whenever some schemes will come from central government, like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Saubhagya Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission. Collectively, both the Deputy Commissioner will discuss along with the public representative from both the side, and we'll try to see so that we can give maximum benefit of the central government schemes to the people of Lampi, where irrespective of his caste, creed, nationality, we maintain our age-old tie, age-old relationship, and also Assam and Meghalaya collectively set the tune of United Northeast for the benefit of entire region. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is like an elder brother to me, and myself, we decided that we need to do something about this. We decided that yes, this may be a very, very complex problem. There may be a lot of emotions, but it is our duty as leaders of the states to try and find a way forward. If we don't try, if we don't move forward, we will be failing in our responsibility that you, the people of Assam and Meghalaya, have bestowed on both of us.